Hi angels, welcome back to another resin video. So we did make a resin bedside mirror before. Hopefully I really show you guys that one. So I didn't like the way how it turned out, so I decided to make another one, but this time add some lights in there. So first thing I did was lay down some pigment that I mixed up, add on in there the lights, let it dry 24 hours, and then I pressed the lights down flat so that I can start adding on in there the flowers and stuff like that. I am using my phone to record. I couldn't find the stand that I usually use to stand everything up on, so that's why I use a little rocky. It's gonna be there for a while, and then eventually it's gonna be nice and steady. So I think I mixed the resin up way too quickly, so it's already starting to harden. So I was trying to add down the flowers, trying to avoid bubbles rising and then getting stuck underneath the flowers or underneath the lights. So yeah. And by the way, I'm not moving this fast. I obviously speed up the video. Dun 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 dun. Just adding on in there all of the flowers. Everything I want to add on in there. Add on in there some glitters, some more gold flakes. And I think, yeah, that's it. So after I lay down the flowers how I wanted it, the rest of the resin I just poured on top of everything else so that there could be gold flakes all over. Dun 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 dun. And then after I did that, I waited for a few bubbles to rise, and I just use whatever I mix up the resin with to just press down on the flowers and then get the bubbles to rise up and then pop it. But I let that layer dry, and then I'm just pouring in there the third layer. Hopefully this is the third layer of resin. Yeah. And this one I add on in there 2 types of glitter. A pink one and obviously the one that I got from the dollar store. Can't remember the name, but I use the glitter a lot. So this is how it's looking. I love it. The pink glitter just perfect because I wanted it to be very, very pink. You can obviously see the bubbles when you start pressing down on the flowers. So after they rise up, I just pop it and I use my lighter. So either way, but I thought that I got all of the bubbles, but obviously did not, because some of them got stuck underneath the lights, underneath a couple of the flowers, but it still turned out good. If I should do this again, I will put the flowers in the resin first before I place it into the mold. I've always wanted to try that idea, but I never did. I'm still looking for bubbles to pop because I don't want no bubbles, no big bubbles to just form. But with this step, you have to stay with it for a while. Otherwise, as soon as you walk away, a giant bubble is just going to form up top, and then it's just going to ruin everything. So you have to wait until that layer is dry before you do another one. Bum, 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 bum. And then I'm just going over it with my lighter real quick. And done. And I'm going to let it. Let's see how it turned out. I still have the mirror from the first one that I made. But let's see if this one turned out better. I turned on the lights last night just to check up on it, and there was 8 ton of bubbles. And I add the final layer on there this morning. Space right here. There's my stomach. Don't want to rip the mold. This is how I get it out. Perfect. This is how it looks. I don't know what that stain is. This side doesn't seem to be fully hardened, so I'm just gonna let it be, and then just use my X-Acto knife to clean up the edges. But this is how it looks from the, oh, and also there's some run over resin up here. So again, I need to use my X-Acto knife. This is how it looks. And obviously this is the back. The back is so cute. I used 3 different type of pigments and some glitter. Looks pretty good. And I love the top part up here. This is so cute. I love the back. But the side now. Side is not cute. Oh, let me show you guys with the lights on. Pink. It's very, 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 very pink. Alright, time up for the mirror. I don't want this video to be long. So, I keep on reusing this mirror. So. Oops, this is heavy. Where do you put it in? Gorgeous. Love it. With the lights on, you can see the bubbles way more. There's a ton of bubbles that's definitely trapped underneath some of the flowers. This is a couple layers with some glitters, with some gold pigments, with everything. I just went crazy on this one. I actually like it. It turned out pretty cute, but the sides, they're not fully, the size of it is not fully dry yet, so I'm just gonna let it be. I don't want my fingerprint to be on it. I'm just gonna let it be. And also, oops, this is the back of it. It looks so cute. And obviously you can always change out the batteries with this. Just screw off the back and then decide to. But the mirror, oh, see me? The mirror looks good. I like it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. In the next video, I want to preserve some purple flowers. And I'm gonna see if it looks good. Hopefully it's high enough so that the flowers can be covered. If not, I can always just sand down the top. But that's the plan for another mirror. But thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below if you guys have any ideas of any other resin videos that you guys want to see next. Bye.